Do you find yourself lying awake at night, staring at the ceiling, unable to fall asleep no matter how tired you are? Or maybe you fall asleep easily, but wake up in the middle of the night and struggle to go back to sleep. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Sleep problems during menopause are incredibly common, and they can affect every part of your life, from your energy levels to your mood and overall health. But here's something important to understand. It's not just in your head. Your body is going through real changes that are directly affecting your sleep. In this video, we'll explore why menopause causes sleep problems, and more importantly, what you can do to finally get the restful sleep your body needs. Let's start with what's happening inside your body. During menopause, estrogen and progesterone levels drop significantly. These hormones play a key role in regulating your sleep cycle. Progesterone, in particular, has a calming effect on the brain and helps promote sleep. When its levels decrease, it becomes harder for your body to relax and fall asleep. Estrogen also affects your body temperature regulation. When estrogen drops, your body becomes more sensitive to temperature changes, which can lead to night sweats and hot flashes during sleep. These sudden waves of heat can wake you up multiple times during the night, disrupting your sleep cycle. Another factor is anxiety and stress. As we discussed in the previous video, menopause can increase feelings of anxiety and emotional sensitivity. When your mind is racing, it becomes much harder to fall asleep or stay asleep. There's also a natural shift in your circadian rhythm. As you age, your internal body clock changes, making you feel sleepy earlier and wake up earlier. But when this shift combines with hormonal changes, it can create irregular sleep patterns. Now that we understand the causes, let's focus on solutions. Number 1, create a consistent sleep routine. Your body thrives on consistency. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your internal clock and makes it easier to fall asleep naturally. Number 2, optimize your sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a place that promotes relaxation. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Use blackout curtains if needed, and consider a fan or air conditioning to manage temperature. If night sweats are an issue, choose breathable fabrics for your bedding and sleepwear. These small adjustments can make a big difference in your comfort. Number 3, limit screen time before bed. The blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the hormone that controls sleep. Try to avoid screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Instead, engage in relaxing activities like reading, listening to calming music, or taking a warm bath. Number 4, watch what you eat and drink. Certain foods and drinks can disrupt your sleep. Avoid caffeine in the afternoon and evening, as it can stay in your system for hours. Also, try to avoid heavy meals, alcohol, and sugary snacks before bedtime. These can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Number 5, manage stress and calm your mind. A busy or anxious mind is one of the biggest barriers to good sleep. Practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or journaling can help clear your mind before bed. Even just a few minutes of deep breathing can signal your body that it's time to relax. Number 6, stay physically active. Regular exercise can improve sleep quality by helping your body fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. However, try to avoid intense workouts close to bedtime, as they can make it harder to wind down. A simple walk during the day can already make a noticeable difference. Number 7, limit daytime naps. While naps can be tempting when you're tired, long or late naps can disrupt your nighttime sleep. If you need to nap, keep it short, around 20 to 30 minutes, and avoid napping late in the day. Number 8, consider natural support options. Some women find relief with natural sleep aids, like magnesium or herbal teas. These can help promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. However, it's important to choose options that are safe and suitable for your body. Consulting a healthcare professional can help you make the right choice. Number 9, be patient with your body. Sleep issues during menopause don't disappear overnight. It takes time and consistency to see improvements. Instead of getting frustrated when you can't sleep, try to stay calm and relaxed. Stressing about sleep can actually make the problem worse. If you wake up during the night and can't fall back asleep, don't just lie there feeling frustrated. Get up, do something relaxing in low light, and return to bed when you feel sleepy again. It's also important to shift your mindset around sleep. Instead of aiming for perfect sleep, focus on improving your sleep gradually. Some nights will be better than others, and that's completely normal. Menopause sleep problems can feel exhausting and overwhelming, but they don't have to control your life. With the right habits and a little patience, you can improve your sleep and wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. Your body is adjusting, and it needs support, not pressure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to MenoCalm for more simple and practical menopause tips. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest sleep struggle right now? You're not alone in this journey.